Stop wasting time with paper and securely sign your documents in minutes with PandaDoc. This straightforward guide will walk you through the simple steps to electronically sign documents within the PandaDoc platform, ensuring a secure and efficient signing experience. First, you'll receive an email notification from PandaDoc when a document needs your signature. Click on the View Document or similar button within the email to launch the document. Once the document opens in your browser, you'll see the document content clearly displayed. Notice that the fields requiring your action are highlighted. Locate a field that prompts you for a signature. Click on the signature field. A pop-up window will appear, giving you several options to create your signature. You can choose to type your name, and PandaDoc will generate a signature font for you. Alternatively, you can select Draw to use your mouse or stylus to handwrite your signature. For the most authentic look, the Draw option allows you to replicate your actual signature. Take your time to make it clear and legible. Once you're satisfied with your signature, click the Apply or Confirm button. Your signature will then be embedded into the designated field on the document. You'll then see your signature appear on the document, visually confirming your agreement. If there are other fields requiring your input, such as initials or text, you'll be guided through those as well by simply clicking on each highlighted field and providing the requested information. After completing all the required fields, you'll likely see a Finish or Submit button. Click this to finalize the signing process. And that's it. You've successfully signed your document electronically using PandaDoc, expediting your agreement processes with ease. You can now rest assured your documents are legally binding and securely stored.